First, you can get text tool and type the R here. Now resize the text pressing Alt and Shift and drag the mouse. You can change the font in here. Now get the rectangle tool and pressing Alt and Shift make a rectangle. Now change the color. Now get direct selection tool and click this anchor point and drag the mouse. Now select rectangle and right click, transform, arrange and send to back. Now select rectangle and rotate it. Now select R and go to object and expand. Now get direct selection tool and pressing this anchor point, drag the mouse. Now select all, get pathfinder tool and divide and right click and ungroup. Now select and delete, press delete key to delete. Now change the color. You can save, go to file, export for screen. Now open the Photoshop mockup. You can download this mockup using freewig.com. Now add the logo to here. You can save, go to file and export for as PNG. Okay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment below. See you next video.